one of the most important things that have shaped the development of the market is the development of the e-access services that provides services between providers for end-to-end customers. I think the second development is the COS-based performance objectives that allows different types of performance objectives to how large the network is. I think those both allow for ease of implementation, ease of deployment for the particular services that are going on. I think the third key that's been developed is the ability to have certified equipment and also certified service providers so that customers ultimately get the services that they've contracted for, and they can be assured that the services and the equipment that's being used will provide the services that they need. As a provider of certified CE 2.0 equipment, particularly network interface devices, NIDs, we support the standards, but we also provide value-added features to our products. One of the things we're very proud about over the last year is our addition of 60-watt PoE sourcing power that can be used to power small cells, to provide power to Wi-Fi hotspots, and also to provide power to surveillance cameras. Another thing that we're very proud about is the ability of our products to have built-in test heads that provide 2544 testing, or it also supports Y1564 service activation testing in our products that support the standards and also the functionality and specifications and features that MEF continues to develop over this past year. I think the biggest thing that customers are going to see in general is the virtualization of the network. I think we will see that in many aspects. We'll see it in dynamic allocation of bandwidth. We'll see it in dynamic interconnection between devices. We will also see that you'll be able to have performance monitoring and performance assurance from the customer, from end-to-end services as well as throughout every step in the network. MEF has developed the e-access service, MEF 33, a couple of years ago, and one of the developments that's gone on since that time is the development of a virtual NID. That's the aspect of providing virtual service from one service provider using operators' equipment to be able to provide services that looks like the service is right at the customer's demarcation point. So even if the equipment was provided by another operator that the user did not know anything about, he will get the same service that he's contracted for from the service provider. That's a great question. We are excited to participate in Gen 14, and we're particularly excited in order to demonstrate through Omnitron products, also in conjunction with some other vendors, that we'll be able to show e-access service between two service providers, to demonstrate performance monitoring and validation of SLAs. We're also excited that we're going to demonstrate how fault monitoring works and how that can help the network. We're also excited to be able to test both at service activation time and performance monitoring during service operational time. Of course, we also look forward to seeing our partners and our customers there as we would welcome them to Gen 14.